The past couple of weeks, it's rained probably 7 out of the 14 days. Some days it poured pretty good. Some days it just drizzled.
Oh crap.
Oops.
Yeah,
What'd you do?
The Cuda got flooded because somebody shut the sump pumps off. It's that simple. Somebody walked over to it, shut them off, totally disregarded anything I had said prior to that about leaving them on all the time. And because it's been raining so hard, it ended up flooding the loading dock and burying the Cuda. Two shut the pumps off.
Good job, Josh.
What are you yelling at me for? I didn't
yell.
do it.
I didn't yell.
Well, you've got that tone, Darren.
I'm not quite sure exactly what the sump pumps are, except for the fact I know that they got shut off and I got accused for it, and I did not touch the sump pumps.
I just think it's ridiculous. I mean, the car's supposed to be on the back of the rollback, on its way over to the dipper, not in water. When we talk about taking a car to a dipper, what we're talking about doing is taking it over to another shop where they have tanks that are filled with chemicals that remove rust, they remove paint, they remove Bondo, remove old fillers. Anything that's in that car that you want off of it, it'll strip off of there.
What did it hurt, really?
Well, it didn't. It just slows us down. It just slows us down a lot, okay? Now we got to pump the thing out and then get the car loaded up on the back of the rollback, which is supposed to have been over there yesterday, but you guys took too long inside doing the other things.
With all the work that's going on around here, it's kind of hard to pay attention to that kind of stuff.
Maybe you should take better
No,
care
maybe
of
you
people's
guys should
cars.
do what I asked you to do when I asked
Who put
you
it
to do
there?
Yeah.
It's sitting there
Let's
because
turn it around
Stan's
on Mark.
supposed to come get it with the rollback.
So it's our fault?
Somebody probably just forgotten about it and it got flooded. Kind of just a big accident.
Just going and get it.
So did you shut it off?
Royal did it.
Did you?
No.
Did you?
I didn't do it.
Bro?
I didn't do it.
Whatever.
I wasn't here this week when the Cuda got flooded. I did not shut the pumps off.
I did not shut off the pumps.
No, I didn't shut off the pumps.
What pump?
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.